Hi, I'm Bryn,
And I'm Mac.
I'm Jade.
and this is our senior capstone project. We created a DIY telescope stand that incorporates go-to navigation, so you can build it at home and track objects across the sky.
I had this telescope before. One of the things that really bothered me about it was that it came with a stand that was not very good. The main feature that I wanted was something like, which is called go-to navigation, which means that you can basically tell it to point at a specific object and it will automatically track to that object. So we decided that our project would be designing a telescope mount that could fit a large variety of telescopes that don't already have this feature.
I worked a lot with the CAD modeling and 3D printing of a lot of the parts that went into the project. So this is a stepper motor here, and we needed a bracket to attach to these posts. So I worked a lot with designing these brackets here and here. Same with this box here. This is our controller. I worked a lot with designing that in order to put our encoder, which is like the scroll wheel, and then the LCD to fit into that box. And then attaching the telescope as well, I worked a little bit with that.